Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 16 series. If you're as hyped as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all the latest tech updates. Let's dive right in. Apple is set to introduce some game-changing features in the iPhone 16 series, starting with new button functionalities. First up, the Action button. Expected to be on all iPhone 16 models, this button is rumored to offer quick access to various functions, similar to what we've seen on the Apple Watch Ultra. But that's not all. There's also talk about a new capture button specifically for taking photos and videos. This button might feature pressure detection, giving you a more intuitive and responsive experience. Moving on to the cameras, the iPhone 16 series is set for some significant improvements. The standard models will sport a vertical camera lens arrangement, giving them a fresh, sleek look. For the Pro models, we're expecting a tetraprism 5x optical zoom lens, along with an improved 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This should take your photography and videography to the next level. And what about colors? Rumors suggest a range of options including black, green, pink, blue, and white. However, keep in mind these choices aren't confirmed and could change before the official release. Another exciting update is the MagSafe feature. The iPhone 16 series might come with slimmer MagSafe alignment magnets, enhancing both design and functionality. This means your MagSafe accessories could be even more seamless and secure. Lastly, let's talk about the leaked dummy models. These give us a sneak peek into the expected size differences and new camera cutouts. It's a great visual representation of what we might see when the iPhone 16 series officially drops. So, there you have it. The iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases from Apple yet. What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the iPhone 16 and all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.